Good evening and welcome to the news. I am Larihun Karamnut and here are today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaks to United States President Donald Trump, expresses desire to enhance cooperation in areas of mutual interest. Meghalaya Home Minister James K. Sangma refuses to speak to media persons, indulges in verbal spat with senior journalists. Shillong Press Club demands apology from Minister. Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar confers first ever ANTAR-RASHTRIYA Yoga DIWAS Media Awards to 30 media houses for promoting yoga. And foolproof security will be in place for upcoming KHELO India Games in Guwahati, says CEO AVINASH JOSHI. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India-US relations, which are built on trust, mutual respect and understanding, have grown from strength to strength. Conveying his New Year greetings to United States President Donald Trump, Mr. Modi expressed his desire to continue to work with him for enhancing cooperation in all areas of mutual interest. The Prime Minister highlighted the significant progress made in deepening the strategic partnership between the two countries in the previous years. In an unprecedented incident, the Meghalaya Home Minister James K. Sangma was involved in a verbal spat with a senior journalist from Shillong. The spat occurred following the unwillingness of the minister to speak to the media in the capital city on Monday. The media persons had waited for almost 3 hours to ask some questions on issues falling under the minister's lookout. However, Sangma, after exiting his chamber, pushed aside one of the senior journalists who attempted to shake his hand. This incident later resulted in a confrontation between the two. Meanwhile, Shillong Press Club has demanded an apology from the Home Minister over his alleged arrogance. Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar today conferred the first ANTAR-RASHTRIYA Yoga Divas Media Samman to 30 media houses in New Delhi today. The ministry had instituted the award in June last year to mark the contribution of media in spreading the message of yoga. It acknowledged the positive role and responsibility of the media in disseminating the outreach of yoga in India and abroad. 11 awards were conferred under the category of Best Media Coverage of Yoga in Newspapers, 8 awards under the category Best Media Coverage of Yoga in Television, and 11 awards were conferred under the category Best Media Coverage of Yoga in Radio.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की प्रतिभा है, जिन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव दुनिया के मंच पर यूएन के सामने रखा और 100 दिन में 170 देशों ने सपोर्ट करके 21 जून को योगा दिवस हुआ। ये एक भारी भारत का सम्मान है। आज 21 जून के 4 साल हो गए, 5 साल हो गए और 5 साल में दुनिया के 190 देशों में कार्यक्रम होते हैं।
Delhi police today said the situation in Jawaharlal Nehru University is under control and police is interacting with the students to maintain peace. Talking to media, Deputy Commissioner of Police Devender Arya said no fresh incident has been reported from any part of the university. He said active deployment of police is there both inside and outside the university campus. He also said that the crime branch is investigating the matter.
पाँच तारीख को जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था जेएनयू में 2 ग्रुपों के बीच में वायलेंस का, और उसके बाद जब पुलिस ने इंटरवीन करके शांति व्यवस्था बनाई है, उसके बाद से जिस समय हम बात कर रहे हैं आज तक कोई फ्रेश इंसिडेंट ऑफ वायलेंस किसी भी पार्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी से रिपोर्टेड नहीं है, ना यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर से ना ही यूनिवर्सिटी के बाहर से। सो सिचुएशन जो है वो पूरी तरह पुलिस के कंट्रोल में है।
The organizer of the KHELO India Youth Games 2020 assured that no one should be worried about the security. Talking to AIR, Chief Executive Officer of the Games, AVINASH Joshi, and Joint CEO A. Angamuthu said that foolproof three-tier security arrangements would be put in place during the Games. The third edition of the KHELO India will be held in Guwahati beginning 10th of this month. Mr. Joshi further said that the Guwahatitians had given good response during the launch of logo and mascot and expected that the same spirit and love for sport would be continued during the Games also. The third KHELO India will witness 20 disciplines to be held at 11 venues. In cricket, the second T20 international of the three-match series between India and Sri Lanka will be played at the Holkar Cricket Stadium in Indore at 7 p.m. today. The first T20 match was called off without a ball being bowled due to wet outfield caused by a spell of heavy rain in Guwahati on January 5th. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded was 12.9 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature recorded was 2.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 70% while in the evening was 93%. Forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have partly cloudy sky. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaks to United States President Donald Trump, expresses desire to enhance cooperation in areas of mutual interest. Meghalaya Home Minister James K. SANGMA refuses to speak to media persons, indulges in verbal spat with senior journalist. Shillong Press Club demands apology from Minister. Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar confers first ever ANTAR-RASHTRIYA Yoga DIWAS Media Awards to 30 media houses for promoting yoga. And foolproof security will be in place for upcoming KHELO India Games in Guwahati, says CEO AVINASH Joshi. That's all we have for you today. Do join us tomorrow for some more news updates. Thank you for watching and good night.